Welcome to MathKey. In this lesson today, we'll learn how to change any fraction into a decimal. So the first thing we want to know is that every whole number has a decimal point just at the right side. Let's start with this example. In this example, 8 is the denominator while 5 is the numerator. 8 can't divide into 5, so we introduce the hidden decimal point as usual. Let's begin with just 1 0. Now we make a copy of the decimal point and place it directly above the first decimal point. At this level, we just pretend like the decimal point does not exist, so that it looks like we are dividing 50 by 8. We can now start the division right away. 8 does not go into 5, so we add a 0 directly above the 5. We add the next 0 to make the dividend 50. 8 goes into 50 6 times, and our 6 goes directly above that 0 that was added. Now 6 times 8 is 48. We subtract the 48 from 50 to get 2. Before we repeat the same process, we need to add another 0. Then we bring it down to make 20. 8 goes into 20 twice with some remainders. We keep these 2 directly above the 0 we brought down. Now 2 times 8 is 16. We subtract 16 from 20 to get 4. Again, we add another 0, bring it down to make 40, so we can repeat the process another time. This time, 8 divides into 40 exactly 5 times, leaving no remainder. So, we keep our 5 directly above the 0 we brought down. 5 times 8 is 40, and 40 minus 40 is 0, bringing the entire division to a termination. Hence, 5 divided by 8 is 0.625. Let's see another example with a larger dividend or numerator. The entire process still remains the same. In this example, it is obvious that 4 cannot divide exactly into 635. This just means that this division is definitely going to end in decimals. First of all, 4 divides into 6 one time. We keep the 1 directly above the 6. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract 4 from 6 to get 2. We dropped the next digit to form 23 and repeat the process. 4 divides into 23 5 times with some remainders. So we place the 5 above the 3 because we brought down 3. 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 subtracted from 23 is 3. We bring down the next digit to form 35. So 4 divides into 35 about 8 times. We put the 8 above the 5, and 8 times 4 gives 32, which subtracts to give 3 as a remainder. Note that this remainder does not mean the quotient or final result is 158.3. To change this remainder 3 to decimals, we repeat what we did in the previous example. Add 0.0 and bring it down. Do not forget to copy your decimal point above. 4 goes into 30 7 times, and 7 times 4 is 28. These subtract to give 2. Add another 0. Copy it down. 4 divides into 20 exactly 5 times, and 5 times 4 is 20. This brings the division to a termination. Hence, 635 divided by 4 is 158.75. And this is exactly how you change any fraction to a decimal. This method works for every fraction. If you want to see more videos like this where we learn the basics of math, subscribe to Math Key. Do not forget to like and share. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.